Hello friends, welcome to Fierce Cloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started the topic wise current affairs of the December month, and today topic of discussion is government schemes. The government schemes which were released during the month of December 2022 we will discuss under this video. So this video is very important for every type of exam, so watch this video till last and watch carefully. But first of all, you have to download our application Careers Cloud from the Google Play Store. After that, log in with your email ID. Then click on this Crack Current Affairs section to subscribe our current affairs for 1 year as well as for 2 years. Both the subscription prices are very much low. But the most important thing, what we are covering under this 1 year and the 2 year subscription, we are providing you daily section. In the daily section, you will receive 3 things. One is the detailed current affair. Second is the question and answer format of current affairs, but both will be provided in the form of PDF or in the form of ebook. And third is the quiz section, and this can be attempted only on our application on daily basis. Next is the weekly section. Again, we are providing 3 things. One is the detailed current affairs, second is the question and answer format, but both things will be provided in the PDF format, and third is the quiz section which you can attempt on our application on weekly basis. Next is the monthly section, and in the monthly section we are providing you 4 type of PDFs. One is the detailed current affair PDF, which is known as study PDF. Next, all the detailed current affairs will be converted in the form of question and answer. That's why it is known as question and answer PDF, so that you can revise all the current affairs in the question and answer format. Next is the best 100 current affairs will be provided. That is also provided in the form of question and answer. And last is the pocket PDF. It means 1-liner, 2-liner or the 3-liners current affair will be provided to you, so that you can revise these current affairs very quickly before your exam. Next is topic wise current affair. This is very important section because we are providing 20 most important topic wise PDF. If you want to revise 1 or 2 particular topics, then you can use this topic wise PDF. If you are a banking student, then we are providing 3 things. One is detail, second is question and answer format of current affairs, but only related to banking and economy, and third is the quiz section. It is also only related to banking and economy, and you can attempt this quiz section only on our application on monthly basis. Next is exam PDF. If you want to cover all the current affairs before your exam of particular year, then you can use this exam PDF. Next is special current affairs section. In the special current affair, we are providing you budget and economic survey. 2 things we are providing. One is detail, budget and economic survey. Second is question and answer format of budget and economic survey. It means you can recall that examiner can make these type of questions from budget and economic survey. If you are preparing for your respective state exam, then we are also providing state current affairs, and we are covering every state and union territory. So all these things comes under only one subscription. First of all, you have to just download our application Careers Cloud, then click on this Crack Current Affairs section, and you can subscribe for 1 year as well as for 2 years. And if you want 10% extra discount, then you can use this code ASH10. If you have any query, then you can email us on this email ID or you can call us on this number. So let's start the December month topic wise current affair, and today topic of discussion is government schemes which were released by any state government or at the national level during the month of December 2022. And here is the first question. Which state has recently launched Arunodoi 2.0, a direct benefit transfer or the direct beneficiary transfer scheme to benefit over 10 lakh people? So the keyword here is Arunodoi 2.0. And this scheme is started by Assam government. So answer of this question is 4. So Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sharma ji launched this Arunodoi 2.0, the flagship scheme of the Assam government, with a financial outlay of almost 4100 crore, or exact is 4142 crore rupees per annum, in a virtual meet in the Guwahati, Assam. And this financial outlays of 4142 crore makes it one of the largest direct benefit transfer schemes in India. And during the first phase of the Arunodoi, around 17 lakh women have been receiving a guaranteed cash flow of rupees 1250 each on the 10th of every month through the direct benefit transfer. And with the addition another 10.54 lakh new beneficiaries, the scheme would reach to a total of 27 lakh plus beneficiaries. Moving to next question. Name the ministry that has recently expanded the scope of remission of duties and taxes on the exported products scheme. So again, this question is important, and this ministry is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Answer of this question is 4. So the Ministry of Commerce and Industry expanded the scope of remission of duties and taxes on the exported product scheme with effect from 15th of December 2022 to 30th of September 2023. And the expansion will include the shipments from the chemical sector, pharmaceuticals sector, and the export of articles of iron and steel under the Chapter 28, 29, 30 and 73 of the Indian Trade Classification based on the HSN schedule of the item or harmonized system of coding schedule of items. And the expansion will cost around 1000 crore to the central government. Moving to next question. Name the state that has recently introduced the Friends of Library scheme to promote reading. Very interesting question. And name of the scheme is Friends of Library. And this scheme is started by the state of Tamil Nadu. Answer of this question is 3. So remember, very important scheme, and this is started by Ministry of School Education under the government of Tamil Nadu, and this scheme named as Friends of Library scheme, which would personally deliver books to people who are unable to visit state-run libraries. And the scheme will benefit differently abled people, senior citizens, children, and hospital inpatients among others who are unable to visit a library, and the help of volunteers will be employed for this objective. So very interesting scheme, Friends of Library. Moving to next question. Which state has recently inaugurated the Sanitation Workers Development Scheme to protect welfare of the sanitation workers? So remember, this is Sanitation Workers Development Scheme, and this state is Tamil Nadu. Answer of this question is 4. So Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin ji, inaugurated the Sanitation Worker Development Scheme to protect the welfare of conservancy workers in the Tamil Nadu during a ceremony held in the Madurai Corporation in Tamil Nadu. And Chief Minister also introduced a sanitation worker logo and launched a mobile application called as Shivas. Shivas stands for Sanitation Workers Health, Welfare and Safety, and it is to assist in the identification and collection of the sanitation worker census data. And Tamil Nadu is the second state in India to implement such a scheme and a mobile application for the sanitation worker, because the first state who launched this kind of scheme was Odisha. Second is Tamil Nadu, first state was Odisha. Moving to next question. Which state has recently launched an upgraded inner line permit system portal? This is an upgraded inner line permit system portal, and this is started by Manipur. Just remember the question as same as in slide. So on 23rd of December 2022, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh ji launched an upgraded inner line permit or ILP system portal for saving the indigenous population of the Manipur. And the portal also makes it convenient for the visitors from outside Manipur to apply ILP or the inner line permit. And the portal had been launched with the new development added to the earlier ILP system. So just remember the question as same as in slide. Moving to next question. For which district the Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sarma recently laid the foundation stones and inaugurated project worth Rs 938.38 crore? This question is for the Assam students, very important question, and this is the district of Dibrugarh. Rest of the students you can remember from the slide also. So Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sarma laid the foundation stone and inaugurated projects worth Rs 900 or exact as 938.38 crore for the Dibrugarh district. And the foundation stones were laid for setting up mini stadium at 4 places, a rural sports complex at the Moran area, upgradation of the Government Industrial Training Institute at Dibrugarh, and also Dibrugarh Government Polytechnical located at the Lohowal, among several other projects in the district. You don't have to remember the name of the projects. And the projects that were inaugurated includes Government Dental College in the Dibrugarh and others are there. So just remember 938.38 crore foundation stone and inaugurated projects were inaugurated by Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sarma ji at the Dibrugarh district. So this is all for today. I think you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and you can join our all platform like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is given in the description box. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.